TileMate and Pro trackers use a sealed CR2032 battery designed to last about 1 year. The CR2032 lithium coin cell provides power for Bluetooth tracking, but Tile discourages replacing it. Opening the case, secured by adhesive and latches, triggers tamper detection. This renders the tracker unusable and voids the warranty. The app displays an open case error. Despite online guides, user polls show a high failure rate, around 60% for DIY replacements. Third-party services exist, but also void the warranty, making a replacement tracker often the more reliable and cost-effective option. If you've already replaced the battery and your tile isn't connecting, try these steps. First, ensure the battery is correctly installed with the right polarity. Attempt a reset by pressing the Tile button 10 times, or try a factory reset via the Tile app. Common issues include magnetic ring misalignment or software glitches. However, if the tamper sensor has been triggered, reconnection may be impossible. Given the risks, consider alternatives to battery replacement. Newer Tile models are exploring rechargeable options. Other brands, like AirTags and Samsung Smart Tags, offer easier battery access. If repair fails, weigh the cost against a new tile or a different brand that prioritizes user serviceability. Ultimately, consider if the risk of permanent deactivation is worth the temporary fix.